I've reviewed a lot of robot vacuums over this past year, from flagship models, mid-range options, and they all claim to have stronger suction, smarter navigation, and more automation. And honestly, after a while, a lot of them, they start to blend in together, and then every now and then one shows up and makes me stop and wonder how it would do, and not because of one single spec, but because of how many problems it's trying to solve at once. And that's why the Dreame X60 Max Ultra Complete caught my attention, and why I'm putting this one to the test. The Dreame X60 Max Ultra Complete is the Dreame's latest flagship robot vacuum and mop, and is designed to push past some of the usual robot vacuum limitations, things like low furniture clearance, mist dirt, tangled hair, and obstacles that stop most of the robots in their tracks. And on paper, it's aiming to be all-in-one hands-off cleaning system, but the question is whether it actually delivers in real homes, and that's what I'm here to find out. And what immediately stands out to me is the design choice, because Dreame made something different here. This is the thinnest robot vacuum ever, coming in at just 7.95 centimeters tall. And that's important because a lot of robot vacuums can't clean under a lot of sofas, cabinets, or low furniture. They just avoid those areas entirely. And Dreame solves that with the retractable DTOF navigation sensor. And in open spaces, the sensor stays up and maps normally, but when the robot approaches low furniture, it retracts completely and switches to AI cameras instead. And that's not a gimmick, that's a direct solution to a problem that I see over and over again. Now let's talk about some of the key features that I'm most interested in testing, like the coverage under furniture. Because of that ultra thin design and retractable sensor, this robot should be able to clean areas that most others skip, and that's something I'm paying close attention to, especially under sofas, beds, and because of the midsoles that are still one of the biggest weaknesses in robot vacuums today. Now, another feature that caught my eye is the proactive light dirt detection, and instead of just following a route and assuming that the floor is clean, the X60 actively looks for dirt using infrared detection, and when it sees a mess, it can change how it cleans, switching between sweeping and mopping depending on what's actually on the floor. And in theory, this should help prevent things like spreading wet messes, over mopping dry debris, and missing lighter stains. Now, when it comes to suction and hair handling, with up to 35,000 pascals of suction and Dreame's HyperStream Detangling Dual Brush 2.0, this robot is clearly built with pet hair and long hair in mind. And I've tested plenty of high suction robots that still clog or tangle over time, so what matters here is not the number, but whether it stays clean and consistent after repeated runs.